Today we are making classic chocolate chip cookies, golden on the edges, soft in the center, and packed with rich chocolatey goodness. Let's get started. First, sift together all the dry ingredients. 300 grams of pastry flour, 4 grams of baking soda, 4 grams of salt, 120 grams of brown sugar, 120 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of butter, 1 egg, use a whisk to cream them together until smooth. One 120 grams of chopped walnuts, 5 grams of vanilla extract, 100 grams of chocolate chips. If you're using a stand mixer like KitchenAid, I recommend folding by hand. This helps keeps the nuts and the chocolate chips from getting crushed. There are 2 easy ways to shape the cookies. You can use an ice cream scoop for quick, even portions, or just 2 teaspoons to drop the dough onto the tray. For the teaspoon, scoop with 1 and use the back of the second spoon to drop the dough onto the tray. Once you are done, bake in the preheated oven at 190 Celsius for about 10 minutes until it's slightly golden around the edges and a soft center. Once the cookies are out of the oven, let them rest on the tray for about 5 minutes. This helps them set. If you try to move them too soon, they will crumble. After that, transfer to a cooling rack to finish cooling completely. Enjoy!